Hey everyone, it's Jessica, Flight Attendant Flipper. For those who are new to my channel, I am a full-time flight attendant and part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and The Real. For those who are not new, welcome back. It's great to have you with us again. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. This is going to be completely voiceover, so bear with me, but hopefully you find this information informative. Today is going to be about how to find product info and list your item on Poshmark, all just using your cell phone. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, if you haven't done so already, is download the Google Photos app. You'll see on the upper left hand of my screen, I click on the Google Photos app and I select the photo of the item that I'm looking for. Once I click on the item, there is a circle followed by an outline of a square. I click on that, and what it does is it scans the internet for similar images. And this pops up all the listings for this sweater and similar items. Now, people can list things for whatever they want. $150, $200, but you try to find reliable sources. So ultimately, after scrolling up and down, I ended up going with the Amazon.com listing because most people do shop on Amazon, and if they see the sweater there on Amazon for $59.99, they're not going to pay $175. So as you can see on Amazon, it's listed for $59, almost $60, but the one they have available is a size extra large, which is not a worry because we can adjust the size when we list on Poshmark. But we do definitely have a good title for our product because now we know that it is called the Polo Ralph Lauren Boys Flag Cotton Crewneck Sweater Pullover. So we take that information, and from there we go to the Poshmark app. I like to go to my closet, and then I'll hit the sell button on the bottom, find the photos that I want for the listing, click all the photos. They will allow up to 14. Click the add button, and then all your photos populate. Now you can crop your photos here, but I upload them already cropped. The next is going to be the cover shot. I always choose the cover shot first anyway, and then followed by filters. I try not to use too many filters because I want the product to be depicted in its most natural light. So then Poshmark has a great feature of a video. They allow you to upload a video of up to 15 seconds. So I went back into my phone library, the video section, upload the video that I took of the sweater. I click on the sound button so that it is noise free, and I click next. The next thing to do is just to enter the title. I'm literally going to enter what I saw it referred to on Amazon.com. My nails are getting longer than they should, so there were a lot of typos. So I just fast forwarded through this part as to not torture you. You're welcome. Once you're done with your title, I generally will double click on the title, copy it, and then make that the first line of the description. You'll see I just typed the word posh and a whole bunch of words pop up. That is a shortcut tool that I find extremely useful. If you'd like me to include a video on how to set up those shortcuts, please let me know. I also do another shortcut for the condition. If you notice here, boom, enter a few letters and this whole paragraph pops up. Saves me so much time. Additionally, I will enter a SKU. Now the SKU is really for my own knowledge because I have so many items. I need to know where I stored this item. So this is why I'm putting in SKU and S1. So now I know where it's stored in my inventory. I look it over, it looks good. I hit next. Then I will fill out all the categories, starting with the category. So it's a kids item, it falls under shirts and tops, and it's also a sweater. So I will click shirts and tops, sweaters, and then go to the next item, which is size. So go to boys. I didn't see 6X. I really thought about maybe entering a custom size of 6X, but I decided to just click 6 because more people will probably search with regular sizes. I enter the brand, I enter the color. The more information you can provide to the consumer, the better. I entered no because it's not NUA tags, and the style tags are also very important. Poshmark provides a list of already generated style tags that you can use, but you can also upload your own. So for example, I did choose 2 of the preset Poshmark, but I also entered a third that I typed in, which is preppy, which if the Polo Ralph Lauren USA flag sweater is not preppy, I don't know what is. So definitely thought that that was an accurate style tag. So the next is the original price. You have to enter something here. If you have no idea how much the item costs, you can put 0. But we do know that it was $60 on Amazon, so I put 60, and I'm listing it for 28. I'm not offering a shipping discount, and everything looks good. They also give you a suggested price range that you can look at based on previous comps, but this sweater I think is a good one. So now I hit next and list, and then I check my closet to make sure that it is in my closet. I click on just in, have to do it again because I think I was too quick on the draw, and there it is. So you open up the listing, and the second image will always be your video, which I think that the video feature is so awesome because Poshmark doesn't allow returns. So this gives the buyer an added layer of confidence in the item that they're purchasing. I look at the title, the description, everything looks good to go, and boom, we're done. All that from your cell phone. So I hope that you found this video to be very informative. If you have any other questions or anything else that you'd like me to cover, please definitely feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.